Today is Wednesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try. Do our best. Cooperate with others. And treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Welcome back, everyone. Over the last 2 days, we've talked about self talk, especially how to practice positive self talk. Today, we're going to dive a little deeper and look at how we can use positive self talk in challenging situations. That's when it can really help the most. Let's start with a tough situation. Imagine you're about to play in a big sports game or perform in front of your class. You might feel nervous and start thinking, I'm going to mess up. That's pretty normal feeling, right? But it's also negative self talk. Now, what if you took a deep breath and said, I've practiced and I'm ready to do my best? That's positive self talk. It doesn't guarantee everything will go perfectly, but it helps you feel more confident and focused instead of stressed and worried. Here's the thing. Positive self-talk is really powerful when you're in a challenging situation. It's like giving yourself a pep talk. Let's look at a few common situations and how you can use positive self-talk to get through them. For example, taking a test. You can think to yourself, I'll take my time and try my best. And you know that no matter what, no matter the outcome, as long as you tried your best, everything's okay. Here's a second situation. You're trying something new. Maybe you're learning to ride a bike or play an instrument. Instead of thinking, I'm going to fail, you can try saying, it's okay if I make a mistake. I'll learn as I go. Mistakes are part of learning, and self-talk can remind us of that. Here's another example. Giving a presentation in front of your class. It's normal to feel nervous or think, everyone's going to judge me. But what if you change that to, I'm prepared and I'll do my best? You might still feel some nerves, but now your self-talk is helping you instead of making things harder. Positive self-talk is especially important when things are hard. It doesn't mean you'll be perfect or that everything will go exactly as planned, but it does help you stay calm, confident, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So here's your challenge for today. The next time you're in a tough situation, like taking a test, playing a sport, or trying something new, I want you to practice using positive self-talk. Catch those negative thoughts and turn them into something that helps you instead of holds you back. Before we go, let's circle up with 2 questions to help you think about how to use positive self-talk in challenging moments. For grades K through 5, your question is, what's one challenge you faced where you could use positive self-talk to feel more confident? And for grades 6 through 12, here's your question. Think about a time when you felt nervous or unsure. How could positive self-talk have helped you stay calm or focused? This is a great time to pause so you can discuss these in your circle ups. And I want to leave you with one final message. Great job today, everyone. Remember, you have the power to change your thoughts, especially when things feel tough. Keep practicing that positive self-talk, and I'll see you next time.